Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download music on your MacBook for offline listening. For that, first of all, you need to just simply open Apple Music application on your MacBook, then sign in with the help of your Apple account. Now over here, you need to make sure that you have an active Apple Music subscription if you are using Apple's Music offline download feature. So over here, if you are trying Apple Music for the very first time, you can also get it absolutely free for the 1 month. And after that, you need to pay $11.99 per month for it. So over here, you need to simply select the song that you basically want to download. Now, after selecting this song, you are going to see these three dots right next to it. So you need to simply just click on these three dots. Now, when you click on these three dots, you are going to see the option of download over here. You can also just simply click on the option of add first, and then you can just simply click on the option of download. So when you click on the option of download, all of the songs that you have downloaded will be available inside your Apple Music library. So anytime you can go there, you can just simply listen these downloaded music. So that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.